Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to adjust equalizer for your Sony WH-1000XM5 using Android app headphones by Sony. So as I mentioned, I'll be using this app and you can freely download it from Google Play Store. I have my headphones connected to this phone, so now we can begin the equalizer setup. Let's move to our sound. From here, scroll down and find equalizer. Now you will need to press on this button right here. Scroll down to the left, find custom and custom 1. You can go for this gear icon. That way you'll be able to customize each of the equalizer modes. So simply tune in any of these statistics right here. You can listen to music while doing that, in order to know how you change them. After you changed it however you liked, you'll need to go back and here look on the name, it's custom 1. And when you open the app again, use this mode as your equalizer, and that way it will be changed. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.